Hi there, this is Mabel's Tables, and I am showcasing a tabletop in my dining room, and I decided to go with lemons. I decided to put on a design for with lemons, and here you will see I have my DIY lemon plate that I put the Mackenzie's Child pattern in and DIY'd myself. And I also have a DIY Mackenzie's Child cup with the pattern in it. And I also did a towel, a lemon towel with the DIY Mackenzie's Child pattern in it as well. And I have my DIY lemon towels that I put a beautiful yellow bow on, and I DIY'd that. And you will see that I have it right across my tabletop as well. And you remember Miss Limona, Limona, Queen of the Lemons, and her lady in waiting, Miss Lemonade, or as we say, Miss Limata, her lady in waiting, and Miss Limona. And I also on this side, I have another DIY cup. And back here, I have my bowl of lemons. And I have a candlestick there without a candle because I think it looks good without a candle. And back there is just a sign that I had made to congratulate one of my sons on their getting a promotion on the job. But this is my lemon decor coming up because May will be here soon, and all those luscious lemonade drinks and lemon ice cream and lemon pops will be on the make for May, June, and July. Summer is fastly approaching. This is Mabel's Table Set. I hope you like my Lemon Delight tabletop, and I hope that you find all my DIYs to your liking. Thank you so much for looking, and may you have a blessed and glorious day, and may the Lord shine upon you, and that you remember to pray for others. Prayer really works, y'all. I don't care what you say or how you say it. God is totally in charge, and prayer really, truly works. Don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is in large and in charge. This is Mabel's Table said, make some lemonade, make a lemon meringue pie, just make something lemony. Do